Okay, today, in this video, I'm going to be decorating the cake. This is a Snickers cake, and these are all the things that I'm going to be putting on it. This is a chocolate ganache, which I'm going to be putting on the top as like a drip thing. This is the caramel sauce, which I'm putting in the middle and also on top. That is the cake. This is the caramel frosting. That's peanut butter frosting. And those are going to be used for filling and decorating the tops and sides. And this is another cake. This is a tool I'm going to use to cut this thing. I'm going to use to cut these cakes in half because I need 4 layers instead of 2. And then this is like a turn thing, which I use to decorate cakes. It's awesome. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this cake apart. I'm going to make a montage of me doing that probably. Okay, I cut it in half. I only did one of the layers because I feel like it's going to be too much. So I'm going to cut the other one in half when I need that one to put on the cake. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to do this one as the bottom one because it's flatter. And then I'm going to do this one because I have to use it. It's pretty good too. I'm going to, this is the can. I'm doing it on this wooden cutting board that I use as a cake platter. And it spins, which I love. I'm going to put some of these frostings on. I'm just going to do this one. It doesn't really matter which one you do. Just do when you feel like you might have more of. And then that's going to help hold the cake in place when I am decorating it. So yeah, I'm going to put some parchment paper strips on. I have 4. So that I can keep the cutting board clean whilst I am decorating. Oh no, it's not working. Okay. I'm gonna have to do this with more than one hand. Okay, so I put like a 4th cup of caramel stuff in the middle right here, and now I'm going, and there's like a wall of it, so it's not going to come off. It is pretty liquid, and I'm going to put my next cake layer on. Might work, hopefully it works. Oh no, it's crumbling like what Taylor Swift song. Okay, I've done the 4 layers and it's kind of falling apart. I think I let it sit out too long. It was frozen and now it's no longer frozen, so yeah. I'm going to decorate the outside with this peanut butter frosting I have to get a crumb coat layer on, and then I think I'm just gonna put it in the fridge, maybe the freezer, so it can like harden and not fall apart, hopefully. But yeah. Okay, so I've frozen it. This is a crumb coat. Hopefully I have enough frosting to do another coat. I might have to mix and match and do caramel and peanut butter, but maybe it'll look good. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish covering it, and I'm not gonna worry too much about the top because the top is gonna be covered by like the ganache thing and other stuff. So, yeah.